Γεια σας, καλημέρα. Με λένε Στάλο. Today we are going to talk about the etymology of the Greek word for water, as well as some words in the English language that come from this Greek word. The word that is commonly used in modern Greek is το νερό. The ancient Greek word was το είδωρ. Το είδωρ is still used mostly in scientific language and in some idiomatic expressions. Stick around for a cute expression with the word είδωρ that you can use in your conversations. The word νερό has evolved from the word είδωρ. I know, they look so different, right? So, how did that happen? Let's find out. In ancient Greek, there was an expression νεαρών είδωρ, which meant fresh water. Νεαρών was contracted to νηρών. So the expression νεαρών είδωρ became νηρών είδωρ. With the passage of time, the adjective νηρών prevailed and was used as a noun, the noun that we have today, νερό. The word είδωρ remained as a separate noun. The English language has thousands of words derived from Greek. It's estimated that about 150,000 words in the English language are derived from Greek. That's approximately 30% of the English language. One of these Greek words is the word είδωρ. In English, the root that comes from είδωρ is hydro or hydr, usually as a prefix. I'm sure you can think of many words that begin with hydro or hydr. Let's look at some examples. Hydrant, hydrate and dehydrated, hydraulics, hydrogen, carbohydrates, and many more. In case you are wondering why there is an H in the prefix, and why not just have hydro or hydr, the reason goes back to the polytonic system. In the polytonic system, all words that began with y had to take a rough breathing. I have a link in the description below to my video on the polytonic system where I talk about accents and breathings. So this rough breathing is always indicated in English as an H. So whenever you encounter a word that comes from Greek and begins with an H, chances are that it used to have a rough breathing. For example, Helen, hero, history, hybrid, hippopotamus. In Greek, the roots idr and idat indicate that the word has something to do with water, and that can greatly help your comprehension of Greek. Let's look at some examples. Υδραυλικός. As a noun, it means plumber. As an adjective, it means hydraulic. Υδατοφράκτης, dam. Υδραγωγείο, aqueduct. Ενιδρείο, aquarium. Υδατάνθρακες, carbohydrates. Oh, I didn't forget. Here it is. Περί ανέμων και υδάτων. The literal meaning is about winds and waters. Anemon is genitive plural of the noun anemos, which means wind, and υδάτων is genitive plural of the word είδωρ that we learned today. The idiomatic meaning is about irrelevant topics. Μιλούσε για 2 ώρες περί ανέμων και υδάτων. He was talking for 2 hours about irrelevant topics. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Ευχαριστώ. Γεια σας.